What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be trying a new wash and go combo. I know I've been doing a lot of wash and goes. I am going to get into some twist outs as it gets colder, but I'm just trying to get these wash and goes out of the way. And the new combo I am using today is the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream and the Main Choice Do It For The Culture Gel. Do It For The Culture Gel. And I got this combination from my girl Minx Kinks here on YouTube. I think she did this combination probably last year around this time, and she got a really good wash and go. She said she loved it. These two worked well together, so I've had this in my stash for a while. I think I picked up these gels over Black Friday or maybe before Black Friday of last year. Not this Black Friday that just passed, but the one before. So it's been in my stash for a while. So I need to go ahead and get it used up. And I have talked about trying to break into these gels. So if you didn't see that, it's a dark color. You see that? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Ooh, Rachel. Real life, real life. I was not paying attention. Trying to rush, as usual. Always trying to rush. Anyway, let me clean this off. But it's a dark consistency, kind of sticky-like. And if you are familiar with Main Choice gels, you know a lot of them have that consistency, more of a runny consistency with a little bit of stickiness to it. One of my favorite Main Choice gels is the Tropical Moringa, or I should say was. I want to think it's still available. I'm not sure, but this one here that I'm using, I believe it is discontinued. But even though it's discontinued, I still got to use it. So I'm still going to bring it to you because some of you may have it in your stash and want to know how it works and what it works with. So I'm going to let you know today. So yeah, guys, I got water running down everywhere. So let me just read what it says real quick. So it says it gives untouchable definition and unmatched volume. It's the buttery bold gel. It's infused with biotin, vitamin A, C, D, and E. And it has black charcoal and black cumin in it. And it's for afro textured hair. It says it gives you the best of both worlds. It nourishes and moisturizes like a butter and controls like a gel. This bold combination delivers an amazing flexible hold without excess weight. Okay, so that's what I like. Basically, it says to apply to clean, wet, or damp hair. In sections, apply gel sparingly from root to ends to desired style. Air dry or diffuse. I'm gonna sit under the dryer, and it's good for wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, etc. So it said apply on wet or damp hair. Doing it on wet hair. As you can see, water is still running down my neck, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So guys, this leave-in that I'm using, which is the avocado cream from Nature's Little Secret, it is already in my hair. I applied it in the shower. I always apply my leave-ins in the shower. For those of you who don't know, I apply my leave-ins in the shower and my hair feels really good. So it's already in my hair. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this gel because I want my hair to be wet. I'm hoping that I don't get flakes, and I'm going to try not to have to add water, okay? Okay, hold on guys. I feel like y'all crooked. There y'all go. I feel like that's better. I'm not sure. Anyway. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to, look at that. Whew, it's kind of like slime. So I'm going to get a little bit. I don't know how much to get. It's messy. Whew. Put it in my hands and I'm going to rub it on this hair. See what happens, guys. See what happens. Like I said, I've had it a while, so I hope it's still good and performs like it's supposed to. But we're gonna see. So far it feels pretty good. Just coat those ends. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't think I'm going to twirl today. Twirl my ends, we'll see. Uh-oh. Where'd that come from? Let me make sure all the knots are out. Okay, and they are. All right, let's go back in, get some more. I don't know how much to use, so I'm just winging it. Starting at the root and rubbing it down. I feel like I need a little bit more on my ends, because we coat the ends over here. We coat the ends. We coat all the strands, but we make sure those ends are coated to help protect them. And I like my ends clumped together to help protect them as well. So far so good. It looks like it's mixing well together. I'm not seeing any white or anything on top of the hair, so that's good. Okay guys, here we go. Here we go. Tell me, have you guys used this gel? And if you have, what do you use it with? What leave-in do you use it with? Inform the girlies and the guys in the comments section. Inform us so somebody else can learn from you, because they may have the gel but may not have this particular leave-in that I have. They may have a leave-in that you use, or they may have a different gel from Main Choice, and maybe it'll give them an opportunity to use that gel with this leave-in or another leave-in that you have on hand. So share your combos down below. Let me know if you have used this gel and how you liked it. Okay. Look at that. So far so good. So far so good. But yeah, I've been having those Main Choice gels over there for a while, and I just keep passing them up. I keep looking at them, keep passing them up, looking at them, keep passing them up. And I'm like, Rachel, you got to get these out of your stash or they're going to end up going bad. You can't keep, you know, passing them up because you're not sure what to use them with. You're not sure if they're going to flake and all this kind of stuff. They're sticky, and I really don't like working with sticky gels, but I will. You know, the Tropical Moringa is a little bit sticky, but it's not that bad to me as like some of the other sticky gels I've tried. So yeah, this is giving me an opportunity to use it and see how it works. And since she used it in December, and it's December now, and she's in a pretty cold area too, I believe, and it worked for her, I was like, okay, well, it's December, it might work here. It might work for me. And then I can let y'all know, does this work in cold weather? Does it keep the moisture you need and all the things? So we're gonna see. Okay. All right, guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing this around. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair back in a side part. Get rid of this middle part. I'm going back to a side part. And I'm gonna continue to add this gel around my head, and I'll be back when all the gel is applied. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm done applying the gel. I hope I don't get flaking. I hope I didn't use too much. It was kind of hard for me to gauge how much to use. But anyway, so this is the hair. So I hope I don't get flaking up here. looks pretty good wet. So I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer, let this dry, and I'll be back and we'll talk about the combo. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the hair. I did stretch it. I got from under the dryer. My hair was very soft, but it was shrunken up weird. It was really short on the sides and hanging in the back. So I did stretch it to try to shape it just a little bit. And so yeah, my hair is very soft, very fluffy, but it still has some definition, but it's soft. So yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. So as far as this combination for me, I think it's a good combination. I didn't get any flaking or anything like that, but this gel is sticky. I feel like it takes a little bit longer to dry, but you know, not much. So these two work well together. My hair feels very moisturized. My hair feels very soft and very moisturized. I don't have a lot of shine or anything like that. I feel like my hair just looks like normal hair. It doesn't look dull or look gray or anything like that. It just looks like normal hair, not a lot of sheen or anything. I thought that I would get a little bit more sheen with this, but that's okay. It clumped my curls, and I don't really have anything bad to say about it except that it is a very soft hold. So if you are someone who does not like a soft hold, this may not be for you. If you like a little bit of crunch in your hair and things like that to make you feel like it's going to last a week, then this probably would not be for you. But if you are someone who likes a softer hold, a fluffier hold, a touchable hold, then you might like this combo because like I said, it's soft and I wouldn't mind someone touching my hair. I do feel like when I pull back, I feel a little bit of a residue, just a little bit. It's not real sticky or anything, but I feel a little bit of a residue, and that could be because, like I said, I did stretch it. So maybe once my hair sits a little bit longer and really cools off, I probably won't feel that. So with that being said, I'll try to come back on day 3. If it lasts that long, I'll try to come back on day 3, let you see what it's looking like. If for some reason it doesn't last or I can't get back for whatever reason, I'll try to leave a blurb to let you know how long it lasted and if that coated feeling went away or whatever. So I'll try to let you know all of that. But yeah guys, that's it. Again, let us know if you have used this gel, and if you have, what leave-in do you use it with? I still have a lot left, so I didn't show you how much I use. I mean, it's still at the top. It's about right to here, so I still definitely have enough left for another wash and go. So if you have a different leave-in that you love to use with this, let me know. Maybe I'll try it for another wash and go. If you've used it for the braid outs and the twist outs, let us know that too, because I've never used it. Well, this is my first time using it, period, but I've never used a lot of the Main Choice gels for like twist outs and things like that, just because of the consistency. It's kind of a weird consistency to me, but if you get a good twist out with it, let us know, and maybe I can try that with the rest of this gel. We'll see. But yeah guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. How do you think that it turned out? My hair needs to be cut in a shape, but yeah, let me know how you think it turned out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.